In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily upscale your AI images and by using Big JPEG. Now what I'll do is link this down in the description. Now this, which is Big JPEG, does have a free option and a paid option. The free option can be enough, but with me, if we click on my profile just here, I pay for the premium, which is just here, we can see that, and if we click onto pricing, premium is only $22 and you get it for 12 months and you can upscale 2,000 images per month. Now on the free plan, you get 20 images per month, which might be enough for you or it might not. But if we come over to an incognito window just here, one that I'm not signed in with, what we're going to do is take this image, put it into Big JPEG like this. We're going to click start and then we're going to do a 4x. Now on the free plan you can't 8x or 16x, you can only 4x. But in my opinion 4x is all that you need and that's all that I ever use anyway. Now we're also going to keep this noise reduction on none as well and then we're just going to click OK. And now this is just going to take a little while to do its thing. Now there are also lots of great free AI upscalers out there as well. This is the one that I use, so I'm just showing you how to use this. And there we go. Now that's done, we can click download and we can compare the images. So let's go ahead and click save on that. And there we go. So this is the original image on the left hand side. If we click on inspector, we can see that this originally was 1024 by 1024. If we take a look at the upscaled image, this is now 4096 by 4096. Now comparing like this, they don't look much different. But if we start zooming in on these, so let's zoom in quite a lot, we can see this one, the original, gets quite blurry. Now if we do this on this side, with the upscaled, we can see the difference. And as you can see, it's quite a big difference as well. But that's just how easy it is to upscale your AI images and by using Big JPEG. Now if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like as it really helps out the channel, and if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.